And what it showed that stocks were the least loved long-term investment. And so I want to take a look at that poll, and I've been doing this for over 40 years. And what I looked at, I was kind of surprised, but not so surprised. Actually, when people were polled, 16% said that stocks were the best long-term investment. That was followed by gold. 23% of people said that gold was the best long-term investment. And I do want to point out, if you go back 45 years with gold, if you look at an inflation-adjusted return, your return on gold has been zero. No better than anything else. You just had about the same amount of money. And then real estate, no surprise here. Real estate, 37% of people thought real estate was the best long-term investment. And I always tell people, I think this is something that they kind of miss out, because they look what they paid for a house. Oh, I bought that house years ago. I paid $30,000. Now it's worth $600,000. I've done so well on that. They always forget about all the things that they do in that house. They forget about the insurance they had to pay. They forget about the taxes they had to pay. They forget about the repairs, the maintenance, the remodels that they did in that house to actually bring that house up to speed. I always do say a house is a depreciating asset. What appreciates is the land. But the returns actually look differently when you look at them. They're actually upside down. Stocks did the best. Stocks had, over the 30 years, a return of 10.3%. That compared to real estate had a return of 8.8%, and gold, that right now is so hot, everybody loves gold, well, that was only up 7.4% over the last 30 years. Now, why do stocks do so poorly? It's because people get too emotional about stocks.